Picture yourself standing on Earth, looking up at the endless sky. Now zoom out in your mind's eye. Our planet shrinks to a tiny marble in space. The moon orbits nearby, but even that's just the start. The other planets spin around our sun, but our solar system is only a speck in the Milky Way. The sun is one of hundreds of billions of stars in our galaxy, each with its own planets. The Milky Way itself is a glowing swirl stretching across 100,000 light-years. Beyond it, the universe is filled with countless galaxies, each an island of stars, gas, and dust. Our nearest large neighbor, Andromeda, is 2.5 million light-years away. And beyond that, the universe stretches for billions of light-years in all directions. The true scale of the cosmos is almost beyond imagination. Could we ever leave our galaxy? Could humans or our machines journey beyond the Milky Way? To even dream of such a thing, we must first understand the main challenge. Everything in the universe is far apart, almost unimaginably so. The Milky Way is huge, but Andromeda is 2.5 million light-years away. Light, the fastest thing in the universe, takes millions of years just to get there. The fastest spacecraft we've built, New Horizons, would take over 40,000 years just to reach the nearest star. To reach another galaxy, billions of years. Physics sets a cosmic speed limit. Nothing can travel faster than light. No matter how hard we push, nothing with mass can break this barrier. So, how can we dream of exploring galaxies beyond our own? Science fiction offers ideas, warp drives, wormholes, and more. But what does real science say? Let's look at some of the mind-blowing tech that could one day take us to the stars. One of the most exciting ideas for faster-than-light travel is the warp drive. Instead of moving a ship through space, you move the space around the ship. Imagine a surfer riding a wave. The ship sits in a bubble, while the bubble itself moves faster than light. The Alcubierre drive could, in theory, contract space in front and expand it behind. This lets the ship ride a wave of warped space, reaching distant stars far faster than light could travel between them. But there's a catch. It would need exotic matter with negative energy, something we've never seen or made. Generating enough would require energy far beyond anything humanity can produce today. Some physicists even wonder if exotic matter can exist at all. Still, the warp drive fires our imagination. Maybe, in the far future, scientists will find a way to make warp travel a reality. Another mind-bending idea is the wormhole, a shortcut through space and time. If you could enter a wormhole near Earth, you might pop out instantly near Andromeda. Wormholes appear in Einstein's math, but only as strange and unstable possibilities. Think of space as a sheet of paper. Fold it, punch a hole, and you've got a shortcut. But wormholes would likely collapse before anything could travel through. To keep one open, you'd need exotic matter, just like with warp drives. Even then, they might not be stable enough for safe travel. Despite these challenges, wormholes continue to inspire both physicists and storytellers. They remind us the universe is full of strange and wonderful possibilities. If we can't break the speed of light, maybe we take the slow road, generation ships. These enormous spacecraft would travel for thousands, even millions of years. People would live, work, and raise families on board. Their descendants would reach the destination. A generation ship must be a self-sustaining world, complete with farms and recycling systems. The journey would be so long that entire generations would be born and die before arrival. The people who land on a new world might not even remember Earth. Still, the idea shows our determination to reach the stars, even if it takes lifetimes. To cross the vast distances between galaxies, we need powerful engines. One idea is the antimatter engine. When antimatter meets matter, they destroy each other, releasing huge energy. Just a tiny amount could power a ship for years, but antimatter is hard to make and store. Right now, we can only produce tiny amounts in labs at great cost. Storing it safely is risky. If it touches regular matter, it explodes. Another idea is the laser-powered light sail. Powerful lasers push a giant, thin sail attached to a probe. The sail catches the laser light and accelerates the probe to incredible speeds. Projects like Breakthrough Starshot hope to send small probes to other star systems using this technology. Laser sails are still in their early days, but they use technology we can begin to build today. They might be our first step toward crossing the gulf between stars and galaxies. The dream of intergalactic travel is one of humanity's greatest adventures. The universe is vast and full of wonder, but the challenges are immense. Distance, speed, energy, these are the barriers we must face. Warp drives, wormholes, generation ships, antimatter engines, and laser sails. Each offers a glimpse into a future beyond our galaxy. Step by step, we're learning more about our universe and how to travel through it. One day, perhaps our descendants will see not just distant galaxies, but new homes and new worlds. Our destiny is to explore, to learn, and to become part of the cosmic story. The universe is waiting. All we need is the courage to reach for the stars.